southwest monsoon covered entire southeast Arabian Sea, some part of West Central, East Central Arabian Sea, entire Lakshadweep Island, Kerala and Mahe, and some part of Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, entire Comorin area, Southeast Bay of Bengal, and some part of Southwest, West Central, East Central, and Northeast Bay of Bengal today. So, if we see the weather forecast for next 7 days, rain, thunderstorm, lightning, gusty wind very likely to occur at isolated places, and some days it is at few places very likely to occur. And if we see the day-wise forecast, then today and tomorrow we have issued orange alert. And for next 24 hours, light to moderate rain with thunderstorm, lightning, accompanied with gusty wind, 50 to 60 km per hour, very likely to occur at isolated places in the district of Mayurbhanj, Keonjhar, Ganjam, Gajpati, Baleshwar, Baleshwar, Nayagarh district, and rest districts also very likely to experience isolated rainfall activity with thunderstorm, lightning and gusty wind 40 to 50 km per hour. For tomorrow also orange alert is issued for the district of Mayurbhanj and Keonjhar, where light to moderate rain with thunderstorm, lightning accompanied with gusty wind 50 to 60 km per hour very likely to occur at isolated pockets. And also other districts are also likely to experience isolated rainfall activity with thunderstorm, lightning and gusty wind 40 to 50 km per hour. And on 6th of June also scattered rainfall activity very likely to occur over the district of South Odisha, and isolated rainfall activity very likely in the district of North Odisha. And in addition to that, isolated rainfall activity, lightning, thunderstorm and gusty wind 40 to 50 km very likely to occur at isolated places over the state, and the weather is likely to continue for 7th June as well. And also on 8th June rainfall activity is likely to continue, and thunderstorm, lightning activity also likely to continue for 9th and 10th as well. And if we see the temperature forecast, there will be no large change in maximum temperature during next 5 days, and hot and humid conditions very likely to occur over the coastal district of Odisha for next 5 days. However, for next 2 days, in addition to the coastal district, other districts are like Baud, Dhenkanal, Sambalpur, Angul, Sonpur, Jharsuguda, Kalahandi, where hot and humid conditions very likely to prevail.